Global warming, natural disasters, collapsing biodiversity, growing inequality, diversity and inclusion. The stakes for ESG at a global level are massive. As private and public sectors tackle these challenges, finance has a key role to play. Many asset owners have started to include ESG criteria in their investment process. Alongside climate change, biodiversity is emerging as a new theme in the finance industry. Biodiversity is a systemic issue. Situation is critical. Almost 1 in 3 freshwater species are threatened with extinction. However, there is still hope. We need to change the way we consume, and finance may be part of the solution. Investment solutions exist to restore nature by preserving ocean health and restoring degraded land. There is a growing awareness of ESG among investors and firms. Through engagement and dialogue, they can bring up biodiversity in their strategy and better take it into account in their investment decisions. These metrics offer investors a new compass. Are you ready to cross into the new frontier of ESG and add biodiversity to your portfolio?